Chris Chaplin. Welcome to Victoria Park. I'm one of the teaching pros here, and today the topic is about how we pivot. Okay, now this is a prime movement that the golf professionals do. When they set up, posture's very good, chin is up, eyes are down, lower body's set. So there's good height and width here. Now as they pivot back, they tend to work left shoulder and left pec down to the ground, which creates a lot of energy into the ground, coils you deep into your glutes, creates a lot of rotational power potential to go forward. The other thing it does is it creates really good angles in the shaft plane and allows you to work back down at the ball, which then creates that in to out swing path straight away. The normal amateur, unfortunately, has been told to put their head down, watch the ball, so they sink down, the knees collapse, chin and head's way down, then they start to pivot, and their very first move, because everything's so low, they have to go up. So they lose power, weak position here with the shaft, and because the shoulder's working up, the head has to move, so the head has to move back, then the shaft and the club head comes from an outside in angle, swings across, pull to the left, or a weak slice. Work on that at home, do this and you will see an improvement. Thanks for this, and we look forward to seeing you at Victoria Park.